For number 3, it says, consider the events A and B where the probability of A is 0.5. That means this whole bubble is 0.5. Because I'm just told what the probability of A is, I can't put that anywhere yet. So I'm just going to hold tight. I'm going to keep that for later. The probability of B is 0.7. Again, that's this whole bubble. I can't do anything with that information yet, but it'll help me in a minute. And the probability of A intersect B is 0.3. That's something I can do something with. If I know that A intersect B has a probability of 0.3, that means where these bubbles overlap must be 0.3. Now I can go back to the previous information. If I know the probability of A is 0.5, that means this whole bubble is 0.5. But part of the bubble is already taking up 0.3, so we need to do 0.5 minus 0.3 to find out that this part of the circle will be 0.2. We'll do the same thing for the probability of B, or I guess for Q. So the probability of B is 0.7. That means this whole section over here is 0.7. But part of that 0.7 is already being used right here for 0.3. So we need to do 0.7 minus 0.3 to get 0.4. If we were to just look at the bubble and add these together, we would get 0.7 again, which is what we were given, so we're good. Now, the only thing we're missing is R. We know that if we add up all the probabilities together, we need to get 1. So if I add these three together, I get 0.2 plus 0.4 is 0.6, plus 0.3 gives me 0.9, and 1 minus 0.9 will give me that remaining value of 0.1. So now it's just saying, let's write down those values. I put them here, so I'm just going to transfer. P is going to be 0.2, Q will be 0.4, R will be 0.1, and it didn't ask me, and it didn't label the center one, I guess because it gave it.